Hey guys, it's Cal here. If you saw my shave mail post from yesterday, here's the second part I've been waiting for. Now, I've only just opened this briefly at the post office to show one of the guys who work there because he's interested in this stuff too. So I haven't seen all of what's in here, but I just bought a secondhand set from Mike, Long Island Shaving. What? Is it Limoncello from Ariana and Evans? This is a set he had listed on one of the BST forums. And I reached out and bought it. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, absolutely amazing. Now, he also included, I gotta take these off, from Strike Gold Shave. This one. Now, I don't know the details on this. Obviously, it's Carter, and I believe Carter just recently passed away. Oh, this is really... I'm going to do a video on this one and put the scent notes, but this is chocolate and coffee, and oh, wow. That is so nice. This is something he just added. It's not one of the set that I bought from him. He just included it. But wow. And what else do we have in here? We have a sample of Black Cavendish. So this ought to be interesting. A Cavendish is a type of pipe tobacco. Yeah, I'm a cigar smoker. Oh, that's interesting. Spicy. Ooh. Some pipe tobaccos can be very, very pungent, and this one, ooh, this one's very nice. Not quite sure who oh, okay. This is Vanulet, I believe. Yeah, this is from Vanulet. A sample from Monica Gillum. So that's so cool. Let's see. Mike packages these things up so well so that they don't get banged up in the mail. So, of course, the limoncello matching splash. Barely used, if they were used at all. Oh. Kind of like, lemon meringue pie, neo-citron in a really good way. I don't mean that in a medicinal way. I love the smell and the taste of neo-citron. Now, I mean, I'm Canadian, so some of the things that these are based on I may not be as familiar with. And the last thing in the box would be the matching splash for Jimmy Carter from Stripe Gold Shave. Yeah, Frank Mesa. Take the electrical tape off. Oh, this smells very familiar. There's a scent that Purely Skinful out of Canada used to make. And this is reminiscent of a scent that Linda Janes used to make. But this is comfort food for your face. So, thank you so much, Mike. This is awesome. Yeah, we're going to be using the limoncello this weekend with my Ariana and Evans B1 Lancer butterfly razor. Oh, wow. I just want to eat this. Thank you so much, Mike. This is awesome. So, and thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys take care. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.